Here is some information about 100 students. 60 of them study French, 36 of them study Spanish, 14 of them do not study either of them. We need to draw a Venn diagram to show this information. So here's a rectangle. It's going to represent all 100 students. We'll have a circle here that represents French and a circle over here that represents Spanish. Now the key thing here is that we have to think about the middle. If you just straight away put 60 here, which I know a lot of people would do, they'd put 60 there, they'd put 36 there, and then it would all go wrong. This is not 60. The whole thing here is 60, and the whole thing here is 36. You do not fill these numbers in until we know about the middle term, the middle region. So, in this question, we don't actually know what the overlap is. It doesn't tell us in the question how many people study both French and Spanish. So I'm going to call that X. Now, if this region here is X and this whole circle is 60, then I know that just this bit will be 60 minus X. Because I know that those two will add together to make 60. And similarly, I know this bit here is going to be 36 minus X, because I know that whole region there has to add up to 36. And then I've got 14 students on the outside. And the key thing here, each of these should all add up to 100, because I know there's 100 students in total. Let's simplify this. So we've got 96 plus 14, so that's going to be 110, minus X equals 100. Now I can see that X is going to have to equal 10. That allows me to now fill in, so I know that's 10. I know that this would be 50. This would be 26. And you can do a quick check now and you'll see that those numbers there do add up to 100. So it's absolutely crucial you call that X at the very beginning. With Venn diagrams, you always start in the centre and work your way out. One of the 100 students is picked at random. What's the probability that this student studies French or Spanish or both? So French or Spanish or both. So that's basically all of these in the middle. French or Spanish or both. So how many students are there that do that? So that's 86 students that study French or Spanish or both out of 100, and that's our probability.